Today we'll be showing you how to set up and use the Advanced Wave mattress and control unit. First, connect the power cord to the control unit. Then, connect the power cord to an outlet. Lift the port cover on the right side of the control unit. Locate the mattress connector and align both the bottom middle and top right holes with the corresponding pins on the control unit. Once in place, slide the connector onto the pins. The mattress is now connected to the control unit. Now we will set up the control unit based on the patient's weight and height. First, turn on the unit using the power key. Then, press the patient setup key. You will be prompted to enter the patient's weight. You may use the orange max key to toggle between pounds and kilograms. Once the desired unit of measure is shown, use the plus and minus keys to enter the patient's weight. When the desired value has been reached, press the mode key, which looks like an arrow going in a circle. Now, adjust the patient's height using the same plus and minus keys. When you've reached the desired value, press the mode key. Review the weight and height shown on the upper left of the display. If the values are correct, press the mode key to confirm your settings and begin therapy. If you need to make a change, press the patient setup key twice to start over. To prevent any unintended key presses, the unit can be locked. Press and hold the power/lock key until a beep is heard and the lock LED illuminates. To unlock, press and hold the power/lock key again. Please note that a quick press of the power/lock key will cause the unit to shut off and the mattress to deflate. If CPR is required, pull the black mattress connector from the upper right side of the control unit. An alarm will sound that can be muted by pressing the silence alarm key. At the end of the emergency, connecting the mattress again will automatically resume the previously set therapy. The primary therapy to be used with the Advanced Wave is wave therapy. The control unit defaults to wave therapy, but if a different mode is required, press the mode key to toggle through the available therapy modes: wave, massage, upright with Fowler boost, and therapy, which keeps the mattress in static low air loss mode. When the angle of the head of the bed is above 35 degrees, the blower should automatically enter upright mode to prevent the patient from bottoming out. When the blower is in upright mode, the auto Fowler increases the internal pressure in the mattress 80% above the current pressure. If the unit does not enter upright mode when the head of the bed is above 35 degrees, press the mode key until upright is shown. To begin alternating pressure therapy, press the AP key. Use the plus or minus keys to adjust the AP interval time, which can be between 1 to 99 minutes. Max Inflate is used to firmly inflate the mattress during patient ingress, egress, and any hands-on procedure with the patient. Press the max key to enter Max Inflate mode, which inflates the mattress to its maximum internal pressure. Max Inflate is not a therapeutic mode. While in Max Inflate, an audible tone will sound every 3 minutes as a reminder that Max Inflate is still active. Max Inflate will automatically be canceled after 15 minutes, and the unit will revert to wave therapy. Massage therapy is a rolling therapy with 20-second intervals of alternating pressure starting at the foot end and moving towards the head end. It can be used as a comfort measure. To enter massage therapy mode, press the mode key until massage is shown. Thank you for watching our Advanced Wave video guide. If you need additional assistance, USME is available 24/7 at 877-677-7767 or visit us at usme.com.